When you're building classroom culture and climate, it's really important to create structure first. That's where the GGC Pledge comes in. It's a key tool for building that structure. The pledge reminds students of the larger goals and expectations set in the program, and it gives them a chance to reconnect with these goals together. You can invite one student each day to lead the pledge, or you can let multiple students lead, with one taking each line. Sharing the responsibility among multiple voices creates a collaborative effort, and even kindergarten students with limited reading skills will memorize the pledge if they recite it consistently. Students can practice public speaking skills in front of an audience, and it's a great opportunity to show how leadership comes with responsibility. After all, it's the responsibility of the person leading the pledge to know their part and to speak clearly and loudly so that everyone can understand. Global Game Changers has also created a physical movement component for the pledge, so you can help students use their bodies and anchor their intentions on a deeper level. The official GGC choreography is completely optional, by the way. Like I've said before, this curriculum is turnkey, flexible, and meant to suit your needs. So you could invite students to make movements of their own or have students simply point to their heart with each statement. Whatever's best for your classroom. That said, I love a little choreography, so I'm going to share the official GGC Pledge movements with you now. Let's do this. I am a global game changer. I pledge to do something to ignite good every day. I will do good things without expecting anything in return. I will remember that global game changers use compassion and fight for people using their heads, their hearts, and their hands. I will do my best to make sure that Crummy does not defeat me or the people around me. I will help make the world a better place for everyone. Remember to repeat the pledge every day. It can be done first thing at the beginning of the day or at the beginning of class. And afterward, check in with your students. How do their actions reflect the words of the pledge or not? Are they keeping the promises they make in the pledge? Reciting the pledge every day will bring you back to the Global Game Changers mission to make the world a better place for everyone.